Sooner rather than later, ndagika ta 3 ni ndirona thigari igire mukira uria mwena uyu ndirona thigari igire hamwe na headman na cifo, mwena uyu ungi ndirona thigari 4 kai gustukira ino ngari ya thigari ihurite thigari. Sub chief aroka Gacanja arajira he mundu turetha na we waitari, ndiramuri niki ni undu wa kwaria kameme. Arajira ta nituthie unyonia yangi, riu anyonia ga video ri unyonia yangi turagira my fallen na eri twoka ri turamba turorio no turihite. Nie ndiramwira nie ndirihagwo ati kana ni mucemani ati no turihite nigetha twarie. Ndiramwira aca nie ndaririe horo wa mundurume uria na mundurume uria waragitwo hau na mundurume uria ungi wa sodomizitwo. Maranjuria tiri ni mundurume ucio usodomizitwo. Ndamira andu othe maragwa ni moi uguo moi ri yo na ithu niguo tui ni toria tuiguaga nawe ugeka atia. Maranjira atiriri no nginya mutwire muroneka mwina undu moi mutwire mundurume ucio. Aranju riu ndiroria atiriri turaingirio cero turerwo turute kiratu kimwe turaingira thiini. Twaingira thiini ri andu maraigwa nie ndimunyite ndi wa Maragwa. Moka andu aingi Maragwa ndirerwo Lucy ni nani? Asi andu moka ri ni wenyu? Ndireiga utajua. Deputy OCS aliniambia utajua. Agatudithite na Sonko kwaria ma aranjira ogwo nie ndiroyo irore ciakwa ndewika. Ndiramuria na mbona umenichukua fingerprint peke yangu na tuko na wengine. Haya madam mwingine hapo polisi akaniambia we funga mdomo.
Tuoka ndirero mahitia maitu ni juu sisi ndio tuliongea na tuliongea kuhusu tunaongelea insecurity. Tunaongelea insecurity gani Maragwa? Unaona? So venye tulikuja tura interrogate lakini main agenda yao ilikuwa tuambie hiyo insecurity yenye tunaongelelea tunaijua na base gani. Like ni the resident wa Maragwa. Tukiongea ilikuwa about mimi hata kando na kila kitu hata wachana na watu wengine. Elizaka alikuwa kaniba kangu. Unaona hii? Hata ningesema ni kutoa machungu yangu ilikuwa Eliza ni neighbor wangu. Nirikare aka na kare gako akenyoba. Unaona hii? Mtu hajapata justice bado. Unaona? So mimi kuongea yangu ilikuwa like singenyamaza. Atungenyamaza. So kusema mimi ndio ile kutu address like si ndio champions wa Maragwa, sisi ndio tunaweza ongea. Nitaongea tena na tena na tena, nisidanganye. Juu justice ya mama ile ikipatikana nitajua mtoto wangu ako safe. Unaona? Okay, sasa venye tulikuja huku interrogatiwa mko sure sana hakuna security watu nini. Lakini sasa story main issue ilikuwa mbona nyinyi ndio mliongea? Like ni hakwadige kira. Mimi ni mjenzi, mimi siwezi nyamaza. Tuongee tu kweli. Like mimi sitaongea, mamangu atachagua hataongea, mtoto wangu ataangaliwa na nani? Unaona? Kama hakuna security, issue ilikuwa hakuna security. Unaona?
Ndi wakiri wa High Court na nitugukite guku Maragwa ni tondu nitukuiguite clients itu ni maranyititwo ira ni tondu wa maundu megie miario mahete members of the fourth estate, that is the media, na tugugiukaga nigetha tukimenye haria magikita kana megugitwarwo igoti-ini kana charges iria matuikite cia gu profile. Koguo nikio tugukinyete kundu guku no nitwagikora ati ni mararekereirio mathaa ma kuma thaa 5 cia tuku na ni mathaa matari mega ugi consider ati ni atumia no undu uria wi wa twagirirwo ni gwikira kinyini ati mundu gukorwo akiaria either ni media urariria either ni urariria muingi rights icio mundu katiba karia gaitu ga 2010 karia tugaga ni very progressive kana very progressive bill of rights ni gatuhete kana ni karahe o mu Kenya every citizen ni karamunengera right ya gukorwo akiaria kana akijieretha kana gukorwo akiariria andu na the only limitation ikorwo hau ni ati ndugaikorwo ukiaria maundu ma ngui kana ndugagikorwo ukieneza chuki kana ndugagikorwo ugika indo twitaga propaganda for war. No maundu maya mangi mothe katiba ni karetikiria na angikorwo ni uranyitwo na mahitia ma gukorwo ukiari wagirwo ni kunyitwo utwaro igoti na ndugakirio mathaa 24. Koguo ni twaikora clients itu ni marakirekereirio na twakirwo gutire charges ira prefirewo no kwandika marakiandikire statement na investigative agencies ni ciakigwa ni megukorwo maki-investigate na koguo cia magi-investigate na makienda kumatwara igoti-ini ni tugagicoka tugagikora na igoti-ini nigetha tukahota ku defend their rights, their constitutional rights.
Bangi radio openly iranyuo openly njohi cia kurugwo guku ni icoketio andu no marahurwo ngeta na tutigukira to twambiriire na mwanake witagwo Vita na aria marorekana ni moikaine o hau Vita orageirwo ni horagirwo Mungai na andu acio ri ukona justice tutie turona ugacoka ukona ciana cia MTTI Murang'a Technical Institute Maragwa cirakoretwo nacio ikioherio igatunywo laptop igatunywo thimo na ikatunywo mbeca iria menacio makaya mona matirateithio kurageire na njuragano na umareyuragira eri riure angikorwo andu aguku matigitwo nigetha moe sheria moko-ini mao ri andu aria mandikitwo na mararihwo na igoti riria turutaga nigetha maheane security na marwe na insecurity na meke patrol utuko na muthenya ri ni wira uriku mararuta na nikio ndiroiga muthenya uria turari na mucemanio Wednesday tigo kiuga office iria ciena andu acio ni ta office hinge tondu aikorwo wira no morurire guku makioya return buy niri na makioya return kuri aria marendia bangi na ndawa iria ingi cia kurefia ri ni kuga bururi uyu tugucambithia thirikari iria ikuo na ni aria mahetwo wira wa kurugamirira thirikari nene matararuta wira uria wi wao na nikio ndiraigire no muhaka tukire nigetha wira urutwo tondu tutingituika andu aitu marikoragwo na thina tutireke igwa andu thigari ni iratwarwo Haiti gutaithiriria ugiteri no turi uria maratwarwo ithwe na ithwe ene bururi uyu ringi tutiagite security koguo ni kuona muingi urahura thirikari tondu maundu maria arageria gutaithiriria ri o matire maraheo taithio tocio na ciuria ta icio tutikwaga kuria koguo ingienda kumiriria my sisters aya nie ndire hende ndirekira na gutire hende ndire marekereria na angikorwo ni muguka ninge kurio to ni mwaria na media tutigutiga kwaria nao na Ngai amurathime andu a media tondu ni mutumaga kumenyekane mauru maria marekwo ni aria mararihwo na mbeca iria turaruta cia igoti na tutire hende turikira na uhoro wa insecurity utige gwikirwo siasa kana kwe mundu ikarite Nairobi angikorwo ni arenda kumenya uma ni oke guku tumwire maria turagerera nie ndi mukomi wa mashinani every day na koguo before thiete bunge nyamba ukonde na copy andu akwa mararire atia na mokirire atia gicoka guthi koguo inywe mwe Nairobi ndamuthaitha hindi ria ciana citu iroragwo anake itu maroragwo athuri turaigwa mundu tondu ni akundire kamwe arataimwo akarutirwo wira na guku thutha mucoke muge tukire na muingirie siasa inywe mutire na bata na mioyo ya andu na mwitho ya andu Maragwa agiko mutingirugama na ithu nigetha security igie tondu ta riu ndaigua atumia ya maragerirwo ni thigari makiria mainyanya ati tondu ni maria na media ni undu wa kuuga guku kwina haguku wa security na hindi yo kaire tugakage gwitwo Eliza wa maithaga kamia keta tunanuthu gaka turathikire kararutirwo wira ni andu matari kuraihu na aria mokire guku kurio taithio thigari ciaikarite haha nja tondu tukiri compound-ini yao na maigira gutiri undu mangika mathaa 24 matathirite ona obi makiuga matinge mandikira no ni mamenya ni marathiururuka guku magietha mwana na korwo thigari no cieheanie to ni cioi irarihwo ni undu wa kuheana ugitiri na gutari ugitiri ni atumia mararekererio methe mwana ko ni mama joinire mwana ucio no ko ni angionekainire either muoyo kana hihi akiri murage no ndagika ya muthia ni kungiamenyekanire no wikite giko koguo riu ucio waragire mwana ucio ri ari o guku tuwire eguthie kuraga mwana ungi uriku ni musaara uri oraheo twaririe thirikari imwongerera musaara no tutikahe gutuma aciari marire tondu ciana ciao ni ciuragirwo ciana ciao ni inyitirwo kia hinya athuri ao makeinuka tondu mundu ni ahutirie kamweri ararutirwo wira na guku thutha nie ndi mutumia ndi na ruo rwa mwana na ndi na ruo rwa muthuri tondu ndi na muthuri tocio na tutikukira no muhaka twanirire ako tutigutaithio tumenya tutigutaithio nako ni gutunyita mugutunyita ri turariria borithi nja ni inywe mucererwo ni gutunyita no ni atiriri bururi uyu ni uri na mawakiri aria mararongoreria constitution ira twehitire nayo tondu ndathurwo ni ndehitire na gatiba ati ni ngurugama ku protect gatiba kau nigetha mwana inchi wa Kenya aheo kihoto kiria gigiake.
We respect freedom of speech. Secondly, may I clarify and say that the 3 ladies that you're saying that they were arrested last night, they were actually not arrested, but invited to the police station to substantiate things that they had said to the media. We all know that for the last couple of weeks, we've been having a myriad of issues in Murang'a South Sub-County, specifically Maragua. And one of the issues or the incidences that has been reported is that one of sodomy, whereby it has been alleged variously that there is an unknown man who was sodomized. May I also say that we do not have any formal report in any of the police stations in Murang'a South Sub-County indicating that there is somebody who was sodomized. And it is a matter that has been hanging before the Sub-County Security Committee, and we decided that we needed to get to the bottom of this matter. And how did we decide to do that? Because there are people who are available, people who have spoken in the open, known people within the Sub-County who made these allegations, or rather said that they know the person who was, the victim. We decided as a Sub-County Security Committee to invite them to the police station so that they can shed more light, so that at least they can assist us to identify the victim to enable us now follow up the matter. That was, the reason why we invited those people, not for any other reason. Mm-hmm. And immediately we were done with them. We released them to go back home to their families as we now continue, pursuing the matter. Now, okay. I am not aware. I'm not aware about them having been taken for. No, let me finish then. Okay. I am saying that to the best of my knowledge, and probably that can be verified later, there are no fingerprints that were taken. But what I know, and what we know as a committee, is that statements were recorded. May I also now review to you, from the statements that were recorded, it does not appear as if we had any sodomy case. When they were questioned, what they said is that they also heard variously from people. Okay? Some have even, I'm saying, from what was recorded, we are not able actually to identify the victim. So it appears as if we do not have a case of sodomy. But that is not conclusive because we must continue pursuing that. So we have 103 villages in Maragua division. We have collapsed these villages into manageable groups. Okay? And we have formed teams, about 6 of them. And each of the 6 teams is going to be led by a member of the Sub-County Security Committee. The Deputy County Commissioner is going to lead one. The Administration Police Commander will lead another one. The Sub-County Police Commander another one. The DCI another one. And we are going out to sit at the homesteads, close to those families, with them for us to get to discuss those matters from close range. Okay? And we want actually to come up with something that can be depended on in future. Because now we've realized, unless we do that, it is now becoming a trend. We'll be hearing each and every day that a small girl has been raped here. Okay? A young man has been killed here. That is what we want to address from the family level. So you are not going to hear us, calling the normal barazas that we call at Maragua Market, for example, or Kimorori. We are going directly, mashinani, to where the families are, so that we can get to hear from them, from close range, for them to tell us what they think actually is contributing to all what we are going through currently.